There is no easier way to create an instant lawn than to go to a garden center and buy some fresh, green, weed-free sod and have it installed all over your garden. Now that will run about $20 for 100 square feet. For about 1/10 that cost, you can buy some nice, easy-to-carry grass seed. Now the choice is yours. But the first thing you want to do is prepare the soil. In a large job, you'll definitely want to consider rototilling, turning over the soil, getting rid of the weeds. But in a smaller job, such as this one, all you're going to need to do is rake it a little bit, again, getting rid of the weeds, give it a little bit of moisture, and then either put the sod, which actually we pulled from a different area in this garden, or you might want to use the grass seed, which of course, as I said, costs a lot less. In my own garden, I am putting grass seed in an area under some evergreens that I have. It's so shady and it's only going to take a particular kind of grass seed. I like to put manure over it. It helps the seeds to germinate, but keep it all nice and moist until it starts to integrate into the rest of the yard.